Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name: red color, green color, blue color, black color, yellow color, and white color. Kids night coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1 and use red color O and E1, the numbers of 1, 2, T, W02, 3, T, H, R, E3, 4, F, O, U, R, 4, 5, F, I, V, E, 5. Kids again use red color and draw 6, S, I, X, 6, 7, S, E, V, E, and 7, 8, E, I, G, H, T, 8, 9, N, I, N, E, 9. Kids night 10, the numbers of 10, and use green color, T, E, and 10, 11, the numbers of 11, 12, the numbers of 12, 13, the numbers of 13. Kids again use green color and draw 14, the numbers of 14, 15, the numbers of 15, 16, the numbers of 16. Kids night 17, the numbers of 17, and use blue color, 18, the numbers of 18, 19, the numbers of 19, 20, the numbers of 20, 21, the numbers of 21, 22, the numbers of 22. Kids night 23, the numbers of 23, and use black color, 24, the numbers of 24, 25, the numbers of 25, 26, the numbers of 26. Kids again use black color and draw 27, the numbers of 27, 28, the numbers of 28, 29, the numbers of 29, 30, the last numbers of 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.